There's so many great restaurants to try here on the Marietta Square that we thought we would take you around the square to try some of our favorites. And today we're gonna go to Willie Ray's. It's been there a while, but they've updated their menu, and from what I hear, the changes are fantastic. So let's check out what they got to offer. Located on the north side of the square, Willie Ray's Social House offers outdoor and indoor dining. Whether you're meeting your friends for lunch or you're looking for a hot spot to go for trivia or live music, Willie Ray's has a casual atmosphere for everyone. What are you guys ordering? It's all good? We want all of it then. But they do have a lot better menu. I'm loving this. So I'm gonna get the gumbo and salad because she said that was the most requested thing. We kicked it off with a hurricane and a mango mocktail, and then we dove into those pimento fritters. This is the pimento cheese fritter. It's huge. I always wonder like how they fry cheese.
Freeze it.
Oh, they freeze it. I could eat these for breakfast. Sharing an entree? Well, you deserve separate plates. It's like a smoky. I'm gonna try it.
Yeah.
We're related. We can share spoons. Yeah,
You're right, it's like smoked.
yeah, smoky, and it's got a kind of gets spicy right towards the end.
That's really good. And gumbo's
Yeah.
not my favorite thing in the world. So
Yeah.
that's
Let's try the beignet.
Yeah.
How do you say it?
beignet.
Beignet. Ooh, it's warm. Oh, there's chocolate sauce.
And caramel sauce coming.
Put it back. Oh my gosh.
Cheers.
Cheers. The total, $70.59. Great service too. Now our bellies are full for the day, but we'll be back again next week. See you then.